Good morning, party people, and the place to be. It's your boy, the Braunfels River, back at it again with the Air 3S at another ducked off spot. Drone is up. It wants us to go a little bit higher. There we go. Got an obstacle to avoid. Come on. Look like it stopped sprinkling, so let's go on. And I'm right up on the underpass. And over there, people to your right, is what we call Lucy Cooper's. It has what you call nice high quality food, nice high quality drinks. There you go, Lucy Cooper's, people. Now let's get on back onto the tour. So now I didn't put my ND filter, my CPL filter on for the water. So the water might look a little different. But again, it's been kind of raining, so that mucks up the water. As you all know, if you live near water. But it's still a nice high quality view, if I do say so myself, and I do say so myself. And again, these beautiful houses. That you see along the water is amazing. As always. Beautiful homes, that water access. Yeah, look at that water access straight from your house. Bam, walk on down, hit that water. The only thing about it, during the time when it's hot, which is 9 months out the year in the great state of Texas, you're gonna have people floating. Well, in this part of Texas, you're gonna have people floating the river and having a good time while you're trying to relax. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful homes, man. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Get a little bit more altitude. Let's go a little bit higher. A bit more altitude. Check out some more of these nice high quality homes. So yeah, this is what it looks like on around 10 o'clock in the morning. I'm pretty sure you can kind of see that little fog. How foggy it is. I was hoping the mist would be coming off that water. That would have been nice high quality footage. But still, we're gonna make it do what it do. You know how we do on this channel. We make it do what it do what we got. Yeah, look at that, look at that. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. This is the Guadalupe River, by the way. Those who want to know. Let's continue our tour. Look like we got somebody down there enjoying something. Is that what we see? Somebody enjoying this nice high quality day. We're gonna keep this whole thing cracking. Get a little bit of that fog action up in that sky. continue our tour. Trying to catch a couple of these glimpses of these park areas. There goes a little trail, ducked off. Where you can get down and get close up in the water. Little barbecue pit action. Yeah. Get back to it. Usually I make long videos, and the reason why I make long videos is to show how long you can fly with this Air 3S. I don't think people realize the battery life on this bad boy. Let's get a little bit of altitude. And so that's why I make longer videos than probably most of y'all are used to seeing. It's just I want to show you how long you can be up in the air. But this one we're gonna make it short and sweet. Just want to check out this water, this area when it's not sunny. Still got people out there doing what they do. It's a little nippy for this time of the year for us. It's January 2025, January 3rd, 4th, something like that. And like I say again, for this time of the year, it's a little nippy. It's about 50, 48 degrees, which is rare for us. I'm enjoying it. I don't know if the rest of the hill country Texas is, but I am, because we only usually have two temperatures, and that's hot and hot as hell. It's nice to get a little something else. Over that way, look like that's a baseball field. Look at that, look at that. And over here to the left, we got some more beautiful homes. Look at that beautiful home right there. Look at that one. Right off the water. Obviously, but we're gonna dip in a little bit. Check it inside out. Yeah, look at that. Nice high quality. It's going up out of there. Look at that. Got that boat action right there. That's living the life, people. That's living the life. We're gonna scoot on up over here. Keep it on. Keep it pushing. I hope that whomever may be watching this video is enjoying this footage. I enjoy getting out here flying and practicing and getting better at the craft. Because when I always say in my videos, I am not a professional videographer, photographer, any of that. I'm just a dude with a drone. Nice high quality drone, I might say. Let me add that. The only way you get better at anything, people, is fly. Is to do the thing. So that's what I'm doing. Sharing my experience. Maybe somebody out there who's looking at this video may be thinking about getting into it. Hopefully, I can inspire you. You can see that I don't know what I'm doing, and if I can get out here and do it, then you can too. Just make sure you learn some of the rules and be safe and don't put nobody in no kind of harm, which is why I'm flying over. I like to fly over things that don't have a lot of people. What do we have over here, people? Look at this. Look at this. Right off the water. Bam, look at that. can't tell me that ain't nice. Right off the water. You already know people be all up in that in the summertime. As you can see, I'm up on the underpass, so it's gonna have to do some work. And as you can see, it has to go up under the bypass, up under the... See what it's gonna do, people. That's why I like to record, screen record on the remote, so you can see. All this technology, baby. Yeah, you got a complex environment. That's what you pay all that money for, baby. That's what you pay for that extra cash for. Come on, keep on. You got it. We got to return to home. DJI Air 3S. Up on the underpass, people. Let's see what it do. Ray-Ban action too, but y'all need the best. You got Ray-Bans. 26 seconds, baby. About to get in the water now. 26 seconds. 20 seconds, people. It's taking its time, but it's doing it. It's taking its sweet time, but it's doing it. Adjusted, people. It's taking its sweet time, but it's doing it. Come on. Should be able to see it somewhere. Right behind us. There she blows, people. There she blows. It's taking its time, but it's getting there to us, people. Enough. And there you have it, people. Another nice high quality outing, adventure. Like I always say, get out there, have a good ass time, fly your drone. It's your boy, the Drone Cleaner. Peace.